Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to clean up WordPress database using phpMyAdmin. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in phpMyAdmin and this is our table. So we are going to remove unnecessary data. So first we are going to remove post revisions. Now you see SQL Query, so click on it. So we are going to add query. Now you see run SQL Query. Now paste. Now you see delete from post. So you can add your table prefix. Now you see WP. But our table prefix is WPL3. So now you see we replace WP table prefix to our table prefix WPL3 post where post type revision and then click on go. Okay. Now loading. Now you see 182 rows deleted. And then we are going to delete all spam comments. Now go to SQL Query again. So we are in run SQL Query section. Now paste. Again you see WP underscore comment. So we are going to change table prefix again. So we again added our table prefix WPL3 database prefix comments where comments approve spam and then click on go. And then click on go again. Now you see 0 row deleted. So query executed. So in this way you can delete spam comments. And then we are going to delete expired transient. Now you see SQL Query, so click on it. Now paste query again. And you will find all queries in video description or in comment section. Now you see delete from table prefix database WPL3 option where option name like underscore transients. Again you see WPL3 option where option name like underscore transient underscore timeout. So this is our database prefix and then click on go. Okay. Now you see 29 row deleted, 0 row deleted for transients, and you will find all query in video description or in comment section. And then we are going to remove all unused tags and categories. Again click on SQL. Now paste query. Now you see delete from WPL3 terms where terms ID not in select term ID from. Again database prefix and then click on go. Okay. Now you see 0 row deleted. So query executed. And then we are going to remove orphan post metadata. Again click on SQL Query. And you will find all query in video description or in comment section. Now paste. Again you see delete from database prefix. And then you see table name where post ID not in select ID from. Again you see table prefix. So in all queries you can add your database prefix and then click on go. Okay. Now you see 145 rows deleted. So by using these all queries you can delete unnecessary data and clean up your database. Now go to structure and we are going to optimize database now. Now we are going to select all tables. Now check all. Now you see drop down. Now you see multiple option and then you see optimize table. Loading. Now you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. So in this way you can optimize or clean up your WordPress database using phpMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.